Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Search Console Sitemaps report for crawl monitoring step by step clearly. To download the Search Console Sitemaps report for crawl monitoring, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Search Console website. Log into your account using your Google credentials. Once logged in, select the property you want to manage from the list of sites. On the left side menu, click on Sitemaps. In the Sitemaps section, you will see a list of submitted sitemaps. To view the report for a specific sitemap, click on its URL. You will be directed to an overview of that sitemap's performance. Look for the crawl errors and indexed sections within this report. Take note of the number of successful crawls compared to errors. To download the report, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the page. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. Select Download from the drop-down menu. The report will begin downloading in CSV format. Once the download completes, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the crawled URLs and their respective statuses within the spreadsheet. You now have the necessary data for your crawl monitoring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.